Hello my dear friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we're for the first time in Atessa, a stunning town in the region of Abruzzo in Italy. A very charming medieval town where we have an absolutely total bargain of a property. It's a 70 meters square meters apartment, not very big, but for this price you have everything you need. It's habitable and it's in decent shape, and with just small touches you can make it really nice. As you could see, being winter, the temperature is really nice, so 16, 17 degrees, but we have some wind today, so from time to time we get a pretty heavy gusts of wind. We're right now in the central piazza of Atessa. Let me show you, where we have this church, these beautiful buildings with bars and everything, and the church tower, which has a very interesting story about the dragon. You can go check it out on internet, or you can go hear it in my walking tour, because soon I will post a walking tour of Atessa, and you could see this story there about what's with the dragon and with the church. Of course, here we have a belvedere with a nice view towards the seaside. So I don't know if you can see it on camera, because the sea has almost the same color as the sky. It's not very easy to see. The property we're seeing today, it's very close to this area. So let's go there and let's check it. While walking, I will still tell you more about Abruzzo and Atessa. Let me start with Abruzzo, because Abruzzo is a hidden gem region in Italy, not very well known, so not very popular. In the last years, it's becoming more and more popular because it has a lot to offer. It has very high life quality for very affordable prices. It has very kind people. They are very welcoming with the expats, with the tourists. They have very good prices, both for life and both for real estate. And it's a region which we can say has it all. It has high mountains, it has a sea, it has hills, it has good wine, big history, old historic architecture, and way more. Actually, Atessa is very conveniently located, halfway or half an hour from the coast and from the mountains. So from some points in Atessa, you have very nice views towards the mountain. Even this apartment has some nice views, and you can see the mountains from there. So we have reached our property today. It's located on this elevated ground floor. So from this, all of this part, and we will have the windows there overlooking the church bell and the Maiella mountain. This small storage space is belonging again to the property. I will show it to you later. And after we tour this apartment, we will go and see the other part of the town, have a little walk in the neighborhood. This entrance is a private entrance, so it belongs to the property. It has enough space for you to have a table, some chairs here, and it has a very beautiful view towards the Maela mountain. Let me show you. I hope you can see on camera because the mountains are covered in clouds, so the white color of the snow with the clouds, it's not easy to see maybe on the camera, but with the naked eye it's very easy to see, yeah, and it's a very beautiful view, although it's a little restricted about by the building, so it's not that wide view, but being so close to the mountains is very beautiful. Let's go and let's enter the apartment. Okay, so as soon as we enter the property, we are greeted by this long hallway, and here on the right, the first room on the right will be the kitchen, and you can see that the floors on the hallway and on the kitchen has been changed, so they are new. All the tiles, all the plumbing is new, the kitchen is new, of course all the furniture, it's included in the price, will stay here. It's pretty modern, let's call it like that. Nothing very luxury, but you have everything you need. I really like also the colors, also the tiles. So it's a decent size kitchen, which is perfect for vacation house and stuff like that. Here we have also a storage space, which is also used as a laundry, so connection for washing machine, also with window over there. All of the windows are in aluminum double glass. This is the only one which is the old aluminum, the others are new, so again, nice touch, nice plus, you don't have to spend money on that. Let's go further away into this apartment. I really like this sliding door, so they had a really nice idea to keep it and to save space like this. And here we are entering into a different part of this apartment, where we have here the living room area. Not very big room, but pretty nice, with vaulted ceilings and with a nice view towards the historical center of Atessa and towards the Maela mountain. As I told you about the windows, you see aluminum double glass, new. All the shutters are in aluminum, are new, so really nice. Because today it's a little windy, you can see how beautiful this view is. Oh, the mountain is gorgeous, and also having a view straight towards the church bell and towards the historical city center. Oh, for me it looks so picturesque. I absolutely love it. But let's go back to the apartment. I have to first close the windows. They told me that Atessa, it could be pretty windy sometimes, but I came from Chieti today, so there was also a lot of wind today, so I don't think it's this windy all the time. One important thing I want to show you is here you have the evacuation tube, because this house was made to be heated with like a wood fireplace, you know, or something like that, and the owner left the tube, so you just buy the fireplace, or I don't know the name, and you can heat it up. So either you put a wood one, either you put a gas one with a gas canister, but the wood one would be great. Here, this is the only place where the height is really low in the house, but the rest, excepting this one and the hallway and the bathroom, the height is pretty good. Again, the bathroom was redone, so new tiles on the floor, new tiles on the walls, new plumbing, everything is new. And in my opinion, it's even pretty nice. So I gave you wrong information. We have another of the old aluminum glass window, but even these are really good. You can see the tube, the evacuation tube. The owner left it like this on purpose. This way it will heat up also the room. Maybe this is my opinion. It could use like a protection here, because if it gets really hot, then you could burn yourself touching it. But yeah, this is a nice idea. The shower, pretty nice. As I told you, everything new, so lovely. They also made like you see a small storage space here. The electrics are not new, but I think they are in pretty good condition. And here we have the bedroom, again with vaulted ceilings, beautiful. The wire for the electrics here, it's external, because normally you're not allowed to dig traces into the vaulted ceiling, so they put it externally. What, in my opinion, they have done wrong here is that there are some very beautiful wires that are made especially for this. Here we can have also a look on the electrics, and yeah, there are, I think even the electrics are new, because the wires are pretty good, pretty big. I really love this room because this is a way bigger room than the other. So this could be your living room, and make that into a bedroom. It depends on the room you're spending the most time. Of course, this room has absolutely the same view as the other room. Let me take the camera out. Yeah, so again, mountain views and church bell views. This house has no heating, so the only option for heating is for you to mount that fireplace there. This radiator here is just left because this was a bigger house which was divided with the time, so this is just there. It has no connections. And yeah, these laminate floors, again, even these ones have been changed, so it's new. Not the most beautiful in my opinion, but if you want to change this, you can do it yourself. You just go to a construction shop like Leroy Merlin, and then you buy it and change it. It's pretty easy. Here you have like a small integrated closet, so really nice. I really like this this property. Is really nice and really beautiful. Also here outside you could see that it has these bricks to let natural light coming into the house. So I love that it has also this terrace. I think that for this price, this property is a total bargain. And Atessa, it's a really lovely place with a very big community of expats, I understood. Let me show you also this room here. So here you have a big storage space. Of course, nothing fancy about it, But what is very important here that it has a water tank and the water pump. So sometimes in Abruzzo, when there is the weather is really dry, they run out of water. So people overcome this problem by mounting these water reservoirs that are storing water and using water pumps to pump the water in the house when it is needed. Another important thing that I want to show you is that here, of course, you have another church and you have a possibility to park your car really, really close. And now let me show you a little around this neighborhood, because it has so much charm. So all of these small alleys, I love that it is divided with these steps. So look at this. Look at this. So it's really charming and lovely. I don't know if this is the right street. I want to take you to see a beautiful piazza here, but I don't know if I'm taking the right street because it has Atessa being a hilltop town. It has a 360 degrees panoramic view. Yes. So I wanted to take you also here because I wanted to see the location of this property, because it's so well located between the two main piazzas in the town. So here you have the other main piazza in this town. Absolutely lovely. And no, I think I'm mistaken, because there is another piazza over there. But if you want to see that, go and check my my walking tour. I passed through that place, I stopped for a coffee, and you can see the beauty of that place also. Of course, as I'm looking over there, I'm seeing the mountains. Really beautiful. Okay, my friends, that's it for today. I hope you like it. Write me in the comments down below what's your opinion about this property. If you like it, if you would live in a place like Atessa, if this kind of house could be right for you or not. If you found this content useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and smash the notification bell. This way you will stay connected with us with the most incredible properties that we will gonna be posting. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Edward. As always, I'm here for you if you need me, and see you in the next one.